and welcome to Cambly's YouTube channel. My name's Chuck. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the differences between there, and there. Now I know that it sounds like I just said the same word 3 times, but they are different. They're spelled differently, and they have different meanings. Let's take a look at the first one. There, T-H-E-R-E. There are 2 ways to use this word. Figuratively, as in, there are a lot of people here. Another example would be, there is a cost to join this gym. Or we could use it literally, as in a location or a position. For example, I've never been to Spain. I would really love to go there. Or another example would be, my keys are over there, by the door. Now let's take a look at the second word, there. T-H-E-I-R. There are 3 ways we can use this word. The first, if the subject doesn't have a gender. For example, I really love this restaurant. Their food is so delicious. Another way we can use this word is if we are unsure of the subject's gender. For instance, this artist is so talented. Their art inspires me. And the third way is if you're talking about a group of people or 2 or more people. So you could say something like, that's their new house. And the last word in today's lesson is there. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. This is a contraction of they are. Let's take a look at some examples. They're a sweet couple. Another one would be, they're really good parents. You could also use there for inanimate objects, things that don't move or that are not alive. Like, I like these books. They're really interesting. Okay, now I'm going to use all 3 words in a sentence. I want you to guess the order by listening to the context of the sentence. Here we go. They're cooking their food over there in the kitchen. They're cooking their food over there in the kitchen. All right, great job today. Thank you so much for joining this lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. At Cambly.com, you can speak with native English tutors like me from your smartphone or your computer, anywhere, anytime. Join your first class today by clicking on the link below. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.